Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you guys how you can make your Discord look transparent for free. Right guys, so first of all we need to install the beta Discord plugin. So to do that you can click the link and you can download the setup file. And after you download the file, just double click on the setup file you downloaded. And this window will be pop up. You wanna click on I accept, click next and select install beta Discord and click next. And you want to select the first option and again click install, and now it will install the beta Discord plugin. So just wait till it's done. Right, now as you can see, now it's successfully installed. You can click on close on this window and then it will restart your Discord automatically. Okay, so once you open up the Discord, it will show like a box, and I will put a screenshot of that. And if you get that like that message, it means you successfully installed the beta Discord plugin. And also it will show like a download fail. It just like I don't know why it just show that, but just skip that because it works perfectly fine. So click OK. Right, and now you want to click on user settings right here, and now you will see the beta Discord plugin. And then what you want to do is you need to install the theme. And to install the theme, you need to download the file. So download the file, links in the description. And then you right click on the zip file you downloaded and click on extract here. And then you want to open up the extracted folder and minimize it. And you want to open up your Discord. You want to click on themes under the beta Discord, like that category. Click on themes. You want to click on open theme folder, and then it will open this window in your file explorer. So what you want to do is you want to also open up this like the file the theme that you downloaded. You want to select this file, frostedglass.theme. You want to drag and drop that file onto this folder right here and close that window. And also you can minimize this, and once you open up your Discord, there will be the theme you like downloaded. And now you can enable that by clicking this icon right here, and then it will be enabled. And now you want to click on settings, you scroll down, and now you want to expand the Windows preferences. Click this little icon right here, and you want to enable transparency. And also once you click that, it will ask to restart your Discord software. So just restart that, and still you won't get the transparent look. You just getting like an image in your background. So actually there is two ways. So the first way is you can change the this background image to like a custom image that you would like, and also you can use the transparent theme. So first of all, I'm gonna show you guys how you can change this theme, like this image, to like a custom image. But if you want to skip this part, go ahead and skip this part, and you can watch the transparent, how you can apply the transparent look. So just skip this part if you want to. Well, so to change the image, you want to click on edit, and now you will see this thing, background image URL. So this is the URL. So what you want to do is you want to open up your Google Chrome, and you want to go to imgur.com, and you can search for like any like image that you want. So I search up as wallpapers, and it gives me lots of cool different wallpapers to choose from. So as example, I'm gonna select this image right here, and then you right click on the image that you would like, and you want to click on open image in new tab. And then you want to copy the URL of that image. So right click and hit copy, and then you want to minimize this, and then right here background image URL, you want to select this and leave the brackets and like this icon, like I don't know what to call it. So you want to highlight this HTTPS. From that you want to highlight to this part, you want to highlight this, you want to highlight these things. Right click and you want to click paste. Okay, and then you can click on the save icon right here at the top of like that box. And as you can see now, it's using the image that you choose as your background. And now if you want to change like the blurriness of that, you can click on edit. Also currently it's using the 5 pixels. You can change it to, let's say if you need like a 0, it means no blur on that. You want to click on 0, you want to type it 0, you want to click save. and as you can see there's no motion there's no blur on your image. And also you can add blur. Let's say if you need like 10%, you can do that, but I'm gonna leave it as 5. So I'm going to type at 5, click save, and there you go. Alright guys, now let's see how you can make your Discord look transparent. So to do that, you want to click on edit, and again you want to highlight this image, like background image. You want to highlight these, like this whole thing. You want to hit backspace or delete, and then you want to click on save, and there you go. And now there is no image, and then it just the transparent look. And yeah guys, that's how you can make your Discord look transparent. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please be sure to like and subscribe the channel. I really appreciate it if you do that. And yeah, thanks for watching, and peace.